Sent out that we are live. Let's go to the chat. And here we are. Okay. Oh my god, I'm tired from last night, bro. I'm so tired. I need more sleep. More sleep. But yeah, in terms of news, we have a lot of it. We also have 10 a.m. news happening. Today's the 1st of April. But there ain't no joking around, bro. I'm gonna get to this money regardless. We live early, twin. Yes, sir. I'm waiting for one of my students to join so I can explain him the process of, how I find my daily buys and stuff. That's why we early. I promised him that I was gonna do it. So, what up? What up, Bob? How was y'all trading yesterday? Did y'all trade? I could have gone some easy shorts if I just stayed on, live for an extra like 20 minutes, but it happens. It is what it is. Yo, you ready for today? Yes, sir. They listen to me. No more subscriptions. Yeah, I know. Tradeify 3.0, baby. Took a banger short. Let's go. Elisha, yo, what's up, bro? As you can see, in the news for today, we have 10 a.m. news. So going into today, I'm either got to be done before 10 a.m. or I can't take a trade until after 10 a.m. Don't want to be in any position whenever news is happening or pending. This is what we're looking at for today, right? On the daily, I mark out my previous day high. We're also in a daily gap right here. Okay, gotta mark that out. Hold on, by the way, let me see. There we go, better. Let me mark out my daily highs. Well, my previous day high and previous day low. Hopefully we don't go towards these lows. We have been pumping. This is an area of interest for me. Where I want price to go. We're already inside of a daily gap, so we're already in a higher time frame PDRA. In terms of hourly, we're trading inside one right now. A 30-minute, looks about the same. Now on the 15, this is where we, get our setups right. Just 15 that you can mark out. Want to see how price reacts to it. This could be an entry to the upside for us. Low-key want us to take out these lows, make our way towards highs. If not, we have this 15 minutes at downside as well. If you decide to rip this way first, take out these highs and then go down. On the 5, you have this gap right up here. We're about to trade into right now. And there's also this 5-minute gap right down here. Also this 5-minute down here. So we definitely have a lot of levels to both sides. So that's good. At least we know that, we have entries and stuff along the way. Apart from London highs, we have this 5-minute up here. Past London highs. So if you continue on, we can get an entry off here, hopefully. And yeah, I feel like this is everything right now for me that we should be having drawn out. I'm so close to getting my indicator done. So, you know, all of this would be done by the indicator for me. So I don't have to do anything. Guys, like the stream? Yeah, you got, yeah, what NA said. Like the stream, man. Bend it over. So in a matter of like 2 or 3 minutes, I already know what I'm looking for. I want us to take out these lows. We can either continue down towards these lows or see some sort of buy structure to the upside. That's what I'm looking for. But I won't be able to take anything until, you know, at least we take out these lows or, you know, anything like that. There was also issue in the like the trade of it, but they fixed it, so we're good. Cause I woke up, I saw that, I'm like, damn, I'm probably not gonna be able to trade. They fixed it though, so we're good. Gotta hit a banger today. Had to fill up my truck this morning. Need to recoup financially. Dude, how much did you spend on gas this morning, bro? I know it's brutal having your truck around these times whenever, you know, gas is like $5. $85. Oh, wait, how many gallons is your truck? My car is, I think I have 10. Came out to be like 50 some bucks last time I filled up. Yeah, I get the regular, bro. I don't even get 87. And that's getting expensive. Just imagine if I had something crazy. 22 gallons? Sheesh, yeah. But yeah, we got market open in about 4 minutes. Till then, we got some time. Wow. That got us nowhere. This is the first time this has ever happened. What tool you use to mark out the daily high and low? It's called, I think it's a trend line. I have it setting as dotted, so it looks cleaner. But yeah, you just grab it, and if you need to make it like right now with my mouse, it's gonna be all over the place. But if you just hold shift, it corrects itself. Bro, just looked at the connections and it's whack. I gotta get through this, bro. I don't even have a single letter right now. No shot. Brother, what are we doing? Oh my god, I got one letter. I'm so cooked. I don't, bro. I'm so cooked. How do I have one letter through 3 attempts? This has never happened before. Alright, this is stressing me out, so we're gonna come back to this later. You set the line at the top and bottom of the wick? Yes. Top of the previous day high and bottom of the wick. You got a minute left till market opens. We'll go from there. What is ES doing? ES is also, closer to lows, which is something I like to see. Is it still trading inside a gap? It's also trading inside of the gap, so that's good. They're somewhat lined up right now. Yeah, they look identical. That's good. Yo, what up, Legacy? Someone's spamming up the hearts. All right, market just open. See if you get anything. Ideally, would want us to take out these lows first. That's what I want to see. This got invalid because if it's a 15-minute gap, we already closed above it, so I won't be able to use it anymore. So got rid of that one. Yeah. Now we just gotta wait to see what price decides to do. There's a 1 minute above us right here. Untapped. But obviously, I want us to take out these lows before we take anything. Take out these lows. The first fair value gap is going to be used as confirmation. Entry will be off the second one. And yeah. Okay, so I see in micro in Q that today is higher than yesterday. So does that mean I look for shorts? That doesn't necessarily mean you can immediately look for shorts because it's higher. You just got to play. Once you have your daily high and daily previous day high, previous day low, those are just levels that you can play off of. Still, I mean, the market could go both ways. You can't just go into market with one set of eyes. That I'm like, oh, okay, I'm only looking for shorts. I mean, for that day, if we're just dumping, you're only looking for shorts. That's good, because if not, you're gonna get burnt out. But there's different scenarios. Like for me, if you take out these lows and we sweep it, I'm looking for longs. If you continue it, I'm looking for these shorts. I'm looking for these lows right up here. So it just depends. I barely made it out of connections, bro. Had one air left. Oh, that's concerning. Because if Ben can't make it out, he barely made it out. What's gonna happen with me? Alright, looks like we're just pumping up. Didn't take out any lows, by the way. Technically could have an entry right here. off the closure, but just don't like how we didn't, take anything out. Would have gone our entry right there. Let's see what we do. Usually target these highs. Okay, while we wait for the market to do something. I literally have zero clue. I didn't get filled. Morning, what up, fishy? Yeah, now this, we respected this 1 minute. No, this 5 minute actually. Respected the 5 minute. Closed above the 1 minute. Got the retest right here. This was perfect, honestly. It's really good. Just didn't like how we didn't take out these lows. Only reason why I didn't take it. When you're looking for the gap, do all 3 candlesticks have to be more than 10 points? No, it just has to be the gap. Just a gap right up here. Damn, would have gone break even right here. We're 60 points. Would aim for this wick right. Well, this candle right up here would have been done super easy. We'll see. We'll see. We still got a lot of time. It's only 5 minutes into the market. I would never take an entry this early, anyways. So it's all in hindsight right now that I'm looking at. No trades taken yet? No, nothing. Just market just open, so I'm gonna give it some time. What up, Jonathan? You got your payout? Tell me you got your payout, bro. Please tell me you got your payout. Could you explain how to measure the gap, please? Discord. Let me see the Discord. What guys pay out? Holy. W. Good morning, Alex. To measure out the gap, I mean, you can use this tool right here. It's a measuring. You can literally just drag it down. You can go from here to whatever, and it'll let you know how much you're up or you're down for your stop loss and break evens and all that. And another reason, like, you can tell if it's more than 10, you can just look at these two numbers right up here. If it's more than 10 points, you're good. $6.3K out payout secure. Oh my god, I can't talk. 6.3K payout secure. Let's go. Welcome back. So close to getting 20 points though. Bro, that doesn't matter. Lock yourself out, request that payout, and you're good. The money looks better in your account. Do you just trade the first IFG in the direction you want? No, I use the first one as confirmation. I take the second one to be, safer. If I would have took the first fair I got yesterday after the sweep, I would have gotten burnt. I know a lot of people got burnt because of it. So I always use the first one as, more confirmation. All right, Jonathan, I'll talk to you, bro. Congrats. So does the one we inverse there on the 5-minute count as the first one, and now you're waiting for a retracement to create another one? This one would count as the first gap. I just didn't like it because first, we're 5 minutes into the market. I'm not taking a trade this early, but everything else for this gap did play out perfectly. Like, look at this retracement right to the T, and from there we have just been ripping. So we just delivered too early for me. I usually like to wait about 10 to 15 minutes before, I decide to do anything with the market, just so I have a sense of direction where the market wants to go, So looks like we're heading towards these highs. Now if you sweep it, you can catch some shorts. If you want to continue on, be my guest. I don't mind longs here at all. Really little gaps. Oh, there they are. Yo, what's up? What up, Javier? What's up, bro? Still waiting. I mean, ES hasn't took out highs or lows. Neither did NQ. Just want us to take something out first. A 35-point candle to the downside. That's crazy. Okay, what I'm gonna do is mark out the top of the gap right here. And then we got the bottom right here. Okay. I'm gonna clean this up a little bit. Okay. Gonna get rid of this gap because we know where the gap is at now. So cool. Now I'm just cleaning things up, honestly. I did not like how there was a big gap. But we know that right now we're trading inside of a gap, so I would take these shorts. Just we did not take out these highs, man. But if we continue on, and we inverse it, there's this 1 minute that I could take my entry off of the bottom of this gap, target these lows. So we will see what we do. I do like this sell structure right now. is that gap at London highs on the 15-minute or the 5? This is, I believe, on the. This is on the 5. Wait, I think it's on the 5. No, yeah, this is the 5. It's on the 5. Okay, we got the closure first. Second closure is right here, 84. That's what I'm looking to get my entry at. And my stop's right at this candle wick high right here. Now we're just waiting on a candle closure below, and we'll be in. $85.75. Okay. All right, set my limits at 85.75 for some shorts. See if you get filled here. Let's see if you get filled here for some shorts, guys. And we should be getting in. Why am I not in? There we go. We just got in some shorts. My stops are at 132, right above that candle high. 132.50. Okay. TP, obviously I'm going for 60 points, so I'm just going to move it down. Right here, 24.20. Don't want to make too much. And yeah, now the trade's going. Let's see if we can, see a sell. Doesn't look good. Looks like everybody gets stopped out soon. But we will see. If you do get stopped out, it's a 47-point stop loss. So nothing that, my usual stops are like 50, 60 points. So just took the stop at the top of this wick. So we should be fine. Break even would be right here if you do get it. Just need some, some sellers to pick up. Just need this candle to close out bearish, and I think we should be fine. There you go. That's what I wanted to see. See if we can make our way towards these break even area for us. This was scary. I hope we don't go back to this area again, because more than likely you're gonna get stopped out if you do go over there. Yo, sorry, I'm new to your strat. How come you took shorts there? I'll explain it after this trade's done. Why I took shorts. What's ES doing? We need ES to dump, man. That's how we're looking on the 5-minute. Let's see if we get the distribution candle right here. All right, up about, well, only 10 points here. I thought we were up a lot more. About 20 points here now. All right. Break even's right down here. We're about not too far. We're about 20 points away from break even on this trade. So one thing I'm looking forward to go break even. That means have no risk on this trade anymore. Begging in queue for gas money at this point. 50k growth eval has no consistency. Yes, it does not have any consistency. Come on, NQ. After what happened yesterday, you kind of owe me a TP. And you kind of owe me a TP, NQ. See how we're looking on the 5 minute. I like the 5 minute chart a lot better than looking at the 1 minute. So we're just gonna stick to the 5 minute. The 15 looks good. 5 looks good. Just want to get us towards the break even level, man. Just gotta get to 43. Move our stops to break even. That means we don't have to worry about, you know, us losing out in this position at all. Once you get past this break even, man, I gotta stand up. NQ don't owe you nothing. Don't treat my market like it's a toxic X. It's kind of true. I would say a lot of people would go break even at this level right up here because it's a low in the 5 minute. But we would have gone stopped out break even. I feel like, you know, your break evens have to be somewhat more, you know, than just 17 points. But let me stop talking, because if you get stopped out, then I'll be like, damn, I should have set my break even there. How'd you do on connections, Fishy? Red folder at 9, just so y'all know. Oh, that is true. We got 10 minutes for this trade to hit break even. 10 minutes for this trade to hit break even, or else we have to leave. Got a 10 a.m. folder, man. But we were looking so good. What happened, market? What happened, NQ? What's the website that tells you the red folder news? It's called Forex Factory. I don't like this area that we're in right now, bro. This is scary. This is a scary area. There we go. Can you have more cells, please? A side of some cells, please. Bro, this looks so bearish. Can we just dump? We got this 1 minute right here. Let's see if we just tapped into it and we're just pumping from it. Probably will get stopped out on this. Just didn't see the delivery that we wanted. You know, we had the retracement, Just needed to break past a little bit more. It would have been break even on this trade, possibly a TP, but there you go. Just got stopped out there for this trade. Now let me tell you why I took this trade. Go on the 5 minute, obviously. Let me get rid of all of this and let me explain everything. Okay. Look at this 5 minute. We inversed it, right? Last time price was around here, what did we do? We rejected. Okay, now we're already coming down. On the 1 minute, there was this 1 minute fair value gap right up here that we inversed. Okay, close below it. This gap was my entry. Waited for this 1 minute actually. So there was a 5 minute and two 1 minute gaps. I waited for a closure below. Got my entry right there. Saw some profit, but market just did not seem to fall fully. Perfectly fine. We're down about 492 on the day. Our wins are way better than our losses anyways. And we got some news coming out, so stick around. Probably gonna take another trade today. Let's see if we can catch something after news. Could you circle where you entered the trade? Yeah, I got you. My entry was right here. Right at the bottom of this gap. Right here. As soon as we had this, closure above, that's where I got in. We got about 5 minutes till news, so we'll just wait for that and then get back in the markets. I just blew my account. Whoa, what do you mean? How did you only lose $400? No, I lost 492. My stop was at 24,134. This is my P&L for the day. Here, let me show you guys. There you go. What up, TV? Only rare ones understand what I'm referring to. 400 loss isn't bad at all. Yeah, no. It's manageable. Still just waiting on news. One thing I didn't like about that trade also was news was pending. I was gonna have to leave the trade regardless. What happened before news, came out. Got stopped out. Cool. We move on. I was in the same thing and lost $700 with one mini. I'm trading 5 micros. That's why. I mean, yet again, we haven't even took out any highs or lows, so we're still good. We're still good to trade. We got news in 2 minutes. We're gonna take that loss and throw it out the window. Didn't happen. I don't know what you're talking about. Our drawdown is at 1,500 now. Perfectly fine. How many minis is one unit? It should just be one mini. Unless you're talking about micros. One micro is equal to 1/10 of a mini. So micros are the smaller contracts, minis are the bigger contracts. How many micros is 1 giga? I think it's 1,000, bro. Good old days. 1 giga. All right, news just came out. Did you finish Wordle? I have not. Trump says he's absolutely considering withdrawing U.S. from NATO. Don't know if that's good or bad, but shit, I think it is bad. Looks like we are pumping off of this news. Now that news is out the way, honestly, I still like shorts. I'm looking for more. If you could find another, sell structure, some sort of like that. I do think we take out these lows, man. I want us to take out these lows. Why is it still pending? Dude, this news is still pending. This has never happened before. Usually it's just right away. Also, can y'all help me out with this? This is crazy. Okay, news is out. You don't have to worry about anything else except for trading the markets now. Why don't you trade gold? Gold during the day, I mean, it's just whatever. I would trade gold at night. But I mean, this whole month I've been just trading NQ. I don't want to switch things up. Bearish news. Think soda when it comes to Wordle. Soda. I can't put carb, like carbonation or flavor. It doesn't work. A describes the soda, especially the crisp McDonald's Sprite, Bob. Fizzy? Is that the word? Bang! Bro, just give me all the answers. Hell yeah. Wow, they just gave me the answer. What am I looking at? There's no way this is it, right? Like, this, what? I don't even wanna, bro, that was my guess. I didn't know the answer. Oh, well then, Bob's really good at it. Yo, but like, City, Miles City, the Big Apple, Jeezy, I don't know. Gotta take a second on connection. It looks confusing at first, but it's actually really easy. Really easy. I see what you did there. This could be like multiples, right? Like multiples. Nope. Not even close, probably. It's not like that. The words being how they are represents the word describing them. At least give me one just so I know, like, have an idea, you know? Thanks, I'll give you a few hints. Green Day, Top Gun, High Life, Big Apple. Each are words of different categories. Green Day, High Life, Big Apple. Okay, so okay, that makes more sense. Blue Moon, Mile High City, High Life, Green Day, Red Stripe, Blue Velvet, Pink Floyd, Mayweather, Top Gun. Oh, we're dumping. There just isn't any gaps for us. The only thing we can take an entry off is down here. Still get our, our chunk of the pie. Feel like it'll literally be just a retest, like a re-entry, and I don't mind it. I'll much rather get this. This is what I'm looking for, guys. Towards these lows, if you get it. I'll put a not a limit. Nope. An alert if the price does come. If price breaks above that. Alright, so we got everything set. Alright. The cogs are moving in there. Lots of smoke though. Easiest category. Think movies. Okay. Top Gun. High Life. Pink Floyd. No. Big Easy, the Big Apple. These are cities. I tried, Blue Velvet is a movie too. Okay, I didn't know that. Blue Velvet, Top Gun. Trying to think if this is one. Back to the Future. We need one more. I'm gonna just send it. Bang. Okay. Singing in the Rain, Top Gun, Blue Velvet, Back to the Future. Okay, that's good. All right, we got one, boys. Bro's onto something here. Okay, I feel like the next one is gonna be city. So Maha City, the Big Apple. Green Day, you know. Pink Floyd, no. What is Equise? What the fuck is that? Now rock bands? I don't know rock bands. Oh, you got me, bro. I don't listen to rock. Second city is hometown Chicago. Hometown Chicago, Mile High, Big Apple. Dos Equis. You should make a video explaining the terms like London, Asia high and lows and respecting and stuff like that. Yeah, I can. Just levels, honestly. But yeah, no, I can definitely do something around that. New Orleans, but like Triple Doors. I feel like that's a rock band. Triple Doors, Dos Equis, Blue Moon. Big Easy is a nickname for. I didn't know that. Okay. Big Apple, Big Easy, Mile High City, Second City. Okay, got that out the way. Now, 3 doors down. That's what. Triple Doors. I don't know. Okay, now that you said rock bands, Dos Equis. You guys eat Blue Moon. Are those the blue guys? Hold on. No, that's a movie. What are the blue guys? How well do you know your beers? I don't drink. I don't drink. I don't drink. Oh no. Those Equis a fucking beer? The Blue Man Group, you know, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, these guys. Yeah, the Blue Man Group. Alright, we're dumping somewhat like now. I want to get this entry, bro. I really want to get this entry and just send it towards these lows. It'll be about 75 points. We're down about 490. So, but if you target the end of this gap, we'll be up $600 on the day. Just saying. We'll see. We'll see. I'm with Fishy. I'm dying over here. Bro, I'm being honest. Like, okay. Miller. I know that's a beer. That's a beer because you guys just helped me out. Okay. We're down to 6. Ben, he's making me question reality, bro. Bro, it's not that easy. Come on, let's be honest here. Blue Moon. I heard something about a moon and a beer. Has to be. Pink Floyd, no. Red Stripe, no. Triple Doors, no. W, that's fire. Oh, bro, can it just be this? Colors? Oh, fuck. Okay. Miller, Blue Moon. Red Stripe is a beer. Okay, perfect. I think we got it. Bang. Beer brands. Dave Floyd. Okay, what is this supposed to be? Rock bands. Green Day, Pink Floyd. Yeah, no, you guys got it. Three doors down. U2. Never heard of this. Never heard of this. Never heard of any of these bands. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Oh, we got both out the way though. Thank God. Holy, that was challenging. U2, you mean? Bro has not lived. I have not. Want us to dump here. Hold on.
So, my first eval, I blew because my consistency was really bad. I thought consistency meant just like getting on the charts every day at the same time. I didn't know it had to do with like numbers. So I screwed myself with consistency, my first one, and then my second account, I literally blew the second day I got it because I kept canceling trades, not knowing that if you were in the negative, it like completely screwed you. But this is the one that like I knew all of consistency, I knew all my rules, and I knew their rules, and I passed it.
Fire. Fire. I thought consistency was just getting on the charts every day. Dude, that was funny. That was funny. Well, she just passed her first eval, so congrats to her. But yeah, that was funny. Well, I mean, to be honest, like, you know, I didn't know any much better when I started futures either, so I can't blame her. Bro, can the markets do anything, please? Chris, what did you just type? Can't read that. I can't. Alright, let's see if we can take out these highs right here. Got break even. It just hit my TB. Oh. Well, at least you had good risk management. Got stopped out break even. Could be worse, you know. You could get stopped out for a loss like me, you know. Christian, never think about what could have been, only about what it actually is. Yes. That's good. Some good advice right there, Fishy. One loss, one break even. Yeah, I'm at that one loss right now. Trying to think if I want to take another trade or, you know, just call it, because, you know, I'm not really liking how the market's moving right now. Sucks taking a loss, but, you know, we're just one loss away. I mean, one win away to making back that loss, plus more, so. I'm just a wise old man over here. I mean, I'll take a $500 loss, bro. That's nothing. Oh my God, bro. This market's putting me in bed. I'm sleepy. Sleepy, sleepy, sleepy. Bro, these shorts right here would be prime for me. Towards these lows. I might just wait till we get this level, bro. I still can't get over your performance during connections. Ben and I gotta have to train you better than that, dog. Yeah, I'm sorry. It wasn't my proudest moment. Really wasn't. Yes, it's just chopping up. Like, it's disgusting. Haven't took out any sorts of liquidity at all today. It's just a bad trading day. Literally the one good trade that I could take from this would either be these longs or these shorts, but shorts didn't play out. Longs did though. We would have been done, but too early. You know, I'm not taking a trade 2 minutes into market open. Just not happening.
Draws and liquidity in the game off of market open. We ended up pushing lower, sweeping out this low inside of this 5 minute, now putting in a protected low at a nice displacement candle with an IFEG back to the upside, targeting our data wick. This trade we're gonna break even. Where, like, how do we not just flush, bro? We're like 30 points from. So how did this come towards data highs? Data highs is obviously drawing liquidity in off the market open and pushing lower, sweeping out this low inside of this 5 minute.
Can we do something, please? Please, market, please do something. Bro, look at this barcode ass price action, bro. What are we doing? So bad. So bad. Probably stay on to like 10:45 maybe. Run the GeoGuessr. Iran calling out Trump again for lying. Oh god. Yeah, we could run the GeoGuessr. You know, we got 19 people here. Yeah, I know, man. Whenever, you know, price is just not pricing, I'll much rather do something than stare at a blank and like, hey, well, we got street food, Pinoco. Somewhere there's definitely Spanish. Okay, nothing from there. You see what we got here. Kilometers, so they don't use miles. I think this is Brazil or one of the Southern American. There's no like don't see no flags or anything. Argentina. Are you waiting for it to go down? I'm waiting for us to do something. Okay, we finally took out the highs. We're going towards these London highs. See if you take those out or not. Okay, my thing is if this was Argentina, I would already see a Messi poster somewhere. I have not seen that yet. So, who's this guy? I think this. I don't know. It might be Mexico. I don't know. Downtown Atlanta. I think this might be Mexico, bro. I'm gonna guess Mexico. Let's see. I think it might be Mexico, like somewhere right here. Okay, no, Ecuador. Okay, well, I was completely wrong, bro. This is literally the city that we were in. Wow. Okay, well that was bad. Okay, interesting. Ooh, okay, we got a WRX. We got a little A250. Okay. This has got to look American. Could be. What was this car that just passed us? I don't know. What the? No way. I'm over here thinking this might be closer to the States. Okay, well, whatever language that is. Okay, I'm not trying to be racist here, but that might be Japan. Bang! Come on, twin. I'm too good at this shit. Come on, man. Bangladesh is my guess. But my GeoGuessr put me in a nail salon in Manhattan. Oh, thank God. I mean, this one's a lot more nicer to me. Okay, so now they just put me in the middle of a desert. So that's what we're doing now. Like, where do you want me to go from there? Fucking cupcake? Is that what this is? I don't know. Okay, we have something. Okay, I had Spanish 1 and 2. These are the days of the weeks, okay? We are somewhere in a Spanish country. The bricks are giving Ybor City. I'm in Longs. Off what? Hopes and prayers? I don't see anything. These bricks, bro, like, that's all that we have is that and that little sign. At least it's Saturday and Sunday. Okay. We're working on something now. Hydraulics? Come on, twin. Electric hydraulics? Might be a goat at this shit. Internet. I don't know what that is. Guatemala? Think that's Brazil. Definitely Brazil. Okay. I got 2 votes for Brazil, so we're gonna go. Right here. I was super close. Hell yeah. Took Asia High and broke structure. Yeah. I hope it rips towards London Highs for you. This is just painful to look at. Okay.
I got cooked.
I took a loss.
Well, I took a loss.
How much was
And
your
then I
loss?
took another loss.
How much was your
And
loss?
then another.
Actually, did you loss?
No, I took 2 losses.
For how much?
Bro. Everything.
How much are you down? No, don't say that.
The
remember my drawdown is way higher because, bro, you don't know the first loss I took though.
What was-
I entered with a mini.
What?
And I had mine copy traded 2x ratio.
Oh God. Wait, was it longs?
No shorts.
What off what?
The 5-minute closure.
Right here?
Mm-hmm.
That's literally what I was in.
I know.
I was targeting London lows.
Jordan was like, oh, so I in this shoe. And I was like, oh, we all printed. Yeah, I was targeting.
It was really good. It was moving really
I
good.
wasn't even targeting lows. Since I was in with a mini, I was like, let me just go to, we had Asia lows.
Read that.
What is it? Toes apart and get out. Oh, Benenzi's. I'm trying to learn.
Bro, and then we just pumped up out of nowhere, stopped me out. I'm still looking for shorts, honestly. Like, if we're not gonna take out these highs, I'm waiting for this gap. But we're still like,
At first, I was in longs. That was my first, not my first L. It was my first break even. I went BE. Instead of going for 101, I wanted data highs, but then data highs are protected, according to Dodgy. He's not wrong, they are, but I was pissed.
yeah, if you take out these London highs, I mean, I don't know. Bro, we be in longs right now. I'm hunting that data high.
Yeah, Jordan getting stopped out.
Okay. Yeah, it's bad, bro.
Me and Jordan both got stopped together.
Yesterday was good PA after I got off, and I mean, and now this is what I get.
Dude, it was just.
Does homie know you don't know beer nor any quality band? Okay, yo, you know what? I'm gonna put him to the test. All right, ready?
Brother,
No,
I'm
no,
the worst at Wordle.
no. The Wordle I got. Don't worry, I got this already. This is the real thing. Let's see if you can get this, right? I just want to see. I just want to see your thoughts. Come, sit down.
I don't even know how Wordle works.
Sit down. They're trying to get on me. Here, you can have some jazz music playing. Let me know if you do anything in the market.
We're pumping? Wait. Create groups of 4. I need streams out. Does homie know you don't know beer nor any quality bands? Bro, those are fighting words, honestly, I'm not gonna lie. Yo, Benenzi's, I'm taking over, buddy. Strap in. Alright, create groups of 4. What am I looking at? Bro, chat, help me. Like, what? You guys suck. Bro, you're not learning anything in this market. I'm not even gonna hold you. You're better off closing. Oh my god, we're about to take that out. Oh my god. Jonas up a bag. Green Day, Pink Floyd. Oh, I know what you're saying. Green Day, Pink Floyd. Okay, I know what you're saying. The bands. Damn, you're actually smart. What the hell? U2. Holy shit. OG. 3 Doors Down? Bro, this is fire. W. Everyone spam 1 in the chat. I'll full port Zaim's accounts. We're going to get this payout today. Dude, you guys are terrible people. Alright, I'm down. Alright, we're in. He'll thank me later. Let's see. Blue Moon. Oh, beer brands. Dos Equis. High Life. Red Stripe. Wait, what was the other one? Oh, this? Bro, what beer brand is Red Stripe? I know everyone but Red Stripe. Big Apple, Easy, Mile High City. What was the other one? Second City. I might just be a dumbass. Oh my god, the accounts are down.
Are we dumping yet?
We are dumping.
Are we?
Bro, I said type 1 in chat if you want me to full port his accounts.
Yo!
Is that not insane work? Here.
Yo, you guys are the worst.
Take your stream back over. Benezi said, how long did it take you to learn trading futures? Brother, all the accounts are gone. I'm still learning.
Okay. Did you get it?
Yeah.
And how many
Bro,
tries?
chat didn't even help me. I did it all on my own.
Actually?
Yeah.
Nah, you're fucking around.
I just did it.
Damn, I'm just a retard. Well, look at that. Look, what is that then, huh? What is that?
Dude, I didn't get a single one. I didn't get one. I was looking at chat the whole time. I didn't get not one. Ooh, hold on. Let me go see if you're trying to stop that one.
All right, well, yeah, he got it. No hope at all. You did a bandit just saying. No, I was making a little TikTok. We're back though. Boy, didn't even glance at chat. Trust. Almost at a 15-minute gap. Yeah, dude. We are in this 15-minute gap right here. Oh, wait. Could take an entry off of this gap. Stops here. I want the slow right here. So 1 to 2. Look like this, not gonna lie. If the setup plays out, we get the candle closure below 50% mark, semi stops, set everything, and we go from there. Didn't get no entry there, but it's dumping. I didn't get an entry. Well, about to get an entry here. Price action of doom and despair right here. But just looking for a closure below, retest, continuation, 50 points. If you do get stopped out, we're gonna be down a lot of money. So, that doesn't even enter my consciousness that we're gonna get stopped out. Stops right here at this high. So we're gonna have a 50-point stop loss. Perfectly fine with me. 16 seconds before we set our, limits. 50K eval for my first? Yeah, definitely. 6 seconds. 5, 4, 3. Can we just get a closure below? Alright. Set my limits. Oh, why did I not get filled? Alright, well, I didn't get filled there, but I am setting my limits. 147. Can I get filled here? Okay. Bro, why am I not getting filled? Wait. Okay, this is crazy. 147. I couldn't set my limits in time. Alright, now my limits are set. I swear, if I don't get in this trade because I couldn't set my limits, I'm going to be really, really mad. $50 stop loss. How many cons you take? I'm taking it with 5 micros. I'm not even in yet. Okay, we just got in. Stops at 198. And we're just gonna pump up to my stop loss. Oh my god, this is gonna be. I'm gonna crash out. 43. All right, guys. This is the trade we're in right now. I'm gonna have my break even right here. Not here. But am I even gonna need a break even today? This is crazy. I might as well just got stop rated. Anyways, if we do decide to dump, my break even will be right here. Okay. Down about 30 points already. This is insane. This is going straight to stop loss. Wow. Yep, I'm out of there. Wow, that was so fast. Oh my god, I'm down 1,000. All right, well, I'm done from here. Just a bad day for me, honestly. And of course we ripped to data highs now, London highs. Wow. Okay, well, we still have these accounts. We have $900. Came back before. We can do it again. Not stressing, but yo, that trade was bad. You in them longs, I mean shorts? Yeah, I was. That was crazy. Look at oil correlation. Why the massive spike? I don't know what just happened. We didn't want to move, and now all of a sudden, you know, price wants to take out these highs. But yeah, paid the price today. Holy shit. It is what it is. Took my 2 trades, took 2 losses. Gonna have a trade, and now we just want to dump. Yo. Oh my god. We're fine. It's okay. We are fine. I'll see you guys tomorrow.